FaceCap is a facial motion capture solution for iPhones and iPad Pros equipped with a true depth front-facing camera. It records and exports facial expression animation to be used in games, animation and video effects. It is also able to live stream the animation data over networks and import custom avatars. It records head position and rotation, eye motion, and the movement of most parts of the face. It exports this as an FBX file and includes microphone input. It also outputs a text file which includes keyframes and morph target values. At the moment, if imported directly into Visionary Render, most of the movement in the animation isn't seen, but with a small amount of work on the text file, this is the result. When I saw the app, I thought the workflow to get an animated face into Visionary Render looked very simple, and the low cost plus hardware required seemed very accessible to our customers.